Tulku Hungkar Dorje dedicated his life to education, compassion, and cultural preservation in Tibet. His sudden suspicious death has raised grave concerns across the Tibetan community and beyond. Born in 1969 in Golog, Amdo, he was recognized as the reincarnation of Do Khyentse Yishe Dorje, a revered lineage of the Nyingma tradition. He received full monastic ordination from His Holiness the Dalai Lama and studied extensively in India, China, and the United States, bridging traditional knowledge with modern education. Over the years, Rinpoche established more than a dozen schools and a vocational training center, providing free education to thousands of nomadic and rural Tibetan children. In 2024, Chinese authorities began to target him, accusing him of honoring His Holiness the Dalai Lama and refusing to comply with state policies. To avoid growing pressure, Rinpoche sought temporary refuge in Vietnam. On 25 March 2025, he was arrested from his hotel room in Saigon. Just days later, on March 28th, he was declared dead. The exact cause remains unclear. The Central Tibetan Administration mourns this tragic loss. Tibetans around the world call on the governments of Vietnam and China for truth, accountability, and justice.